Welcome to my channel. Let's learn the sight word, the. Let's read the common exceptional word, the. Say out loud, the. The is a special word we use to talk about something specific. We say the before naming a person, place, animal, or thing. Example: the sun is shining. Let's practice. The cat is sleeping. The dog is barking. The moon is bright. The bird is flying. The boy is running. The girl is reading. Fun practice line.
Come and see. The is a word for you and me.
Thank you for watching.